Here I have Alcatel One S 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So to do this, you just have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the eye comfort mode. So that you can see the difference, I will firstly disable the dark mode. And now when I enable eye comfort mode, you can see the screen turns yellow. By holding your finger on it, you can also access some of its settings. You can change the color temperature here. You can switch it here also. And you can also add a schedule for it, like you have. You can set it. Select this turn on time, turn off time. You can just set it from sunset to sunrise, and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.